Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Hina Javed. Dear students, we are discussing chapter number 2, Our Life and Chemistry. Today our topic, iron and its classification. In this topic, we will discuss about iron, its importance and about its classification. Iron. What is iron? Iron is a chemical element with symbol Fe. Fe is derived from a Latin word ferrum. Its atomic number 26. It means its number of electron 26. Number of proton is also 26. It is a metal that belongs to the first transition series and group 8 of the periodic table. It is by mass the most common element on Earth, forming much of Earth's outer and inner core. It means iron is most important element. It is found everywhere, inner and outer core of Earth. Importance of iron. What are the importance of iron in our daily life? For our health also. One of the main role of iron is to help our red blood cells transport oxygen to all parts of the body. It means oxygen is transported from one part of our body to another parts by the help of blood cells. Blood cells transport oxygen to all parts of the body. Blood cells transport oxygen to all parts of the body by the help of iron. Iron also plays an important role in specific processes within the cell that produce the energy for our body. It is for this reason that one of the first symptoms of low body iron stores is tiredness and fatigue. It means it is first symptom. If our body has low iron, we have deficiency of iron, we feel tiredness and fatigue. Importance of iron for the maintenance of our health. Iron is the mineral vital to the proper function of hemoglobin, a protein needed to transport oxygen in the blood. Iron has also a role in a variety of other important processes in the body. A shortage of iron in the blood can lead to a range of serious health problems. Just like anemia, it is a disease which is produced by the deficiency of iron. We feel tiredness, laziness also. Now sources of iron. Where our iron is found or how we can get iron. If we feel deficiency, we have deficiency of iron, how we can get iron. Some of the best plant sources of iron are beans and lentils, tofu, baked potatoes, cashew, dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach, fortified breakfast cereals, whole grain and enriched breads. These are the sources where we can get iron. Iron properties and uses. A shiny grayish metal that rusts in temperature. Iron is an enigma. It rusts easily, yet it is most important of all metals. 90% of all metal that is refined today is iron. Most is used to manufacture steel used in civil engineering, reinforced concrete, girders, and many other things, and in manufacturing products in the industries. Depending upon its purities, iron is classified into following types. Now we will discuss classification of iron: pig iron, cast iron, wrought iron, steel. These are the classification of iron depend upon its purities. Pig iron. It is the most impure form of iron. Pig iron is iron with a high carbon content. Pig iron is made by smelting iron or into ingot form. You can see ingot form in this picture. Images you can see. Ingot form in a blast furnace. It is called pig iron because when being cast, each ingot being cast look like a piglet suckling milk from a sow. Pig iron is hard and brittle, therefore it is normally converted to cast iron and steel. Second form is cast iron. It is obtained from pig iron. Cast iron, an alloy of iron that contains 2 to 4% carbon along with varying amounts of silicon and manganese and traces of impurities such as sulfur and phosphorus. It means cast iron contains carbon along with silicon, manganese, some impurities just like in traces, sulfur and phosphorus. It is made by reducing iron ore in a blast furnace. It has low tensile strength. It is used to prepare stove, cooker, radiators, lamps and many more other things. Wrought iron. It is another classification of iron. Wrought iron. It is the purest commercial form of iron. If all the carbon and other elements in a pig iron are oxidized and may be left with 0.25% of carbon, then we obtain wrought iron. It is by far the purest form of iron in which total impurities do not exceed 0.5%. It means wrought iron contains only 0.5% impurities. It can be welded and forged. It is used to make nail, chain and many other important things. Steel. It is an alloy of iron. It is made from pig iron. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon and sometimes other elements such as chromium. It means steel contains iron, carbon and sometimes it also contains chromium. Because of its high tensile strength and low cost, this material is best used in buildings, infrastructure, tools, ships, trains, cars, machines, electrical appliances and weapons. It is used to make cutlery, scissors, saw and many other things. Iron is the base metal of steel. It is made from pig iron. Steel is hard, tough and strong. Thanks student. Take care. Allah Hafiz.